Surprise! Cricut has released a super hot mystery box. It is $39.99. You, as a Cricut Access member, can get 10% off this box. Plus, if you use my coupon code, KEN, over $50, you'll get 10% off and free shipping. If you don't have $50 in your cart, like in this case, $47.14, it will say the code is not valid. So make sure you have $50 or more and use KEN. So what's in the box? First up is the Garden Girl fabric sampler. This comes with 5 adorable patterns like this floral pattern, a pink polka dot pattern, a beautiful blue damask pattern, a bright, cheerful yellow hashtag hash mark maybe pattern, a pink with a very white distress pattern. You'll also get a weeding tool, which is going to be needed for other things in the box. Just wait. We also have the Tapestry Fine Point pen. These were exclusive to Joann's and not even on the Cricut site. Here's where the weeding tool comes in. That's right, you're going to get 12 by 24 navy and raspberry strong bond iron-on. 12 by 24 iron-on. Awesome. There's also some pattern Nature Walk strong bond that's coming in this box. You'll also get the neutral strong bond iron-on sampler. This has 3 different colors in the box. You're going to get beige, white, brown, 3 sheets, 12 by 12. They also threw in the bright color vinyl that you can decorate signs or put on your wall. This has some beautiful colors, including sunshine, lime, Caribbean, flamingo, azure, and grape. Great 6 sheets, 12 by 12. Plus, you'll get some strong bond transfer tape to put that stuff on your walls. We also get 12 by 24 princess cardstock. This is amazing. 24 sheets, 6 colors of each of these: fuchsia, light purple, bright yellow, red, blue sage, and something blue. They are absolutely gorgeous, and you are going to love it. Once again, this is 12 by 24, so you can cut this down and use it by 12 by 12 sheets. It essentially doubles the amount of cardstock you're getting. They very rarely put 12 by 24 cardstock in there. What a great deal. So once again, this is $39.99. Make sure you have $50 in your cart, because if not, you'll get an error code. Once you have $50 as your subtotal, you can use KEN to get an additional 10% off. Now, the mystery box is only $39.99, so they do have some really good sales going on to get you to that $50 mark. They have 44% off glitter iron-on bundle. They also have 30% off all of their Cricut vinyl. Yes, all of it, pattern, all vinyl. And 30% off craft tools. All the links are down below. Thank you so much for supporting us by using those links and my coupon code KEN. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye, everyone.